So, you want to install Steam on your Mac OS? Here's how. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Steam website at steampowered.com. Click on the Install Steam button at the top right corner of the page. You'll be redirected to the download page. Click on Install Steam again to download the Steam installation file for Mac. Save the file to your desired location. Once the download is complete, locate the steam.dmg file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the DMG file to open it. A new window will appear with the Steam application icon and a shortcut to your Applications folder. Simply drag the Steam icon into the Applications folder. This will copy the Steam app to your Mac. Next, close the window and navigate to your Applications folder. Double-click on the Steam app to launch it. If a security warning appears, click Open to proceed. Steam will now update to the latest version. This might take a few minutes, so sit tight. If you already have a Steam account, enter your login details and click Sign In. If you're new to Steam, click on Create a new account and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Welcome to the Steam interface. From here you can browse the store, purchase games, and install them directly to your Mac. To install a game, simply find it in the store, click on it, and then click Add to Cart. Follow the purchase instructions, and once completed, you can download and install the game. Once the installation is complete, you can find the game in your library. Click Play to start gaming, and that's it. You've successfully installed Steam on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.